This could be the biggest error Bandai One Piece card game has ever made. What card is it? I will show you. This is the latest One Piece card game, OP13, Carrying on His Will, English edition. And this card right here could be the biggest error Bandai One Piece card game has ever made. The Ace Wanted poster contains an error text, as you can see here. So, the error text is supposed to be Luffy's text description for Luffy's card effect, but instead, they printed it in the wanted poster of Ace. Okay, I will show you closer with a comparison. So what's wrong with this card? Why did they call it a misprint or an error card? So as you can see, on the on-play effect text, it reads and it writes, if your leader is multicolored, set up 4 of your Dawn cards as active. Then, you cannot play character cards with a base cost of 5 or more during this turn. Now, let's compare it to Luffy, a Luffy card or wanted poster Luffy. On play, if your leader is multicolored, set up 4 of your Dawn cards as active. Then, you cannot play character cards with a base cost of 5 or more during this turn. So, the text of Luffy card was misprinted on the Ace wanted poster card. Okay, so the text reads the same as Luffy, isn't it? Now, to compare it with an Ace card, this is what's supposed to be written on Ace card effect. On play, give up up to 1 rested Dawn cards to your leader. Then you may return up to 1 of your opponent's characters with a cost of 5 or less to the owner's hand. If you do, your opponents play up to 1 character card with a cost of 4 or less from their hand. So this is the original text of what a Ace card should look like. But instead, they printed a different text on this Ace wanted poster and they misprinted it with a Luffy text. Okay, so now you know why they call it a misprint or an error card. Could this be the biggest misprint or biggest error card in recent history for Bandai One Piece card game? Let me know in the comment section. Let's find out. Only time will tell. Okay, is it worth collecting or not? Let me know on the comment. Okay, there you go. So that's the side-by-side comparison of all these cards. Okay, there you have it.